Alright, chicos, let's check your work from last night. Please grab a bolígrafo. Make all corrections in bolígrafo. You are going to keep this sheet with you because we will use the back side of it tomorrow. We were to write a question using inversion. And remember, in inversion, we're going to switch our verb to the front of the sentence. So we should have started with an upside down question mark, then the verb and either the subject or the remainder, followed by either the subject or the remainder, right? Because the second half does not matter. So if we're going to start with the verb, we're going to start with this here. Practican, to practice is the verb. The kids, or the boys, practice the vocabulary. So we can't say do the boys, right? Instead, we start with our verb. So, practican. Now I need either my subject or my remainder. It does not matter. I'm going to go with the subject. Practican los chicos el vocabulario. That is, do the children practice the vocab? And you could have had these two switched. Practican el vocabulario los chicos. Inversion again. Okay, so we're going to put our verb first. So, Jaime termina, ends, or finishes la tarea, the homework. So we want to ask, does Jaime finish the homework? But we can't do that. We have to start with our verb. Termina. Okay. This time I'm going to do my remainder next. La tarea. Then I'll go to my subject. Jaime. Does Jaime finish the homework? Or you could have switched these. Use a tag. Okay, so in this one, we want to go from you work in the library to something like you work in the library, don't you? Or you work in the library, right? Remember, that does not change our word order. You just have to have a tag on the end with the question marks. So, your word order stays the same. You work in the library. Comma. Now I need a tag. We've got two tags possible. We could say no, don't you? Or we could say verdad. Okay, isn't that so? Or right, sorry, I'm making things up. But that's what you should have done there. Okay, keep this sheet. We will use the back side of it tomorrow.